Hello everyone, welcome back to a quick Windows fix. In this video, we will be tackling that annoying unspecified error that shows up whenever you try to copy a file or folder in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. This can pop up out of nowhere and stop you from moving or copying files, which is incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes you can try right now. Let's jump right in. First thing you should do is check File Permissions. Right-click on the file or folder that's giving you the problem and select Properties. Go to the Security tab, then click Edit. Make sure your user account has full control. If not, click on your user, then check the box next to Full Control and hit Apply. Now try copying the file again and see if the error still pops up. Sometimes administrative permission is all that's needed to get around this issue. Next, let's try disabling controlled folder access. Go to Windows Security by typing it in the search bar. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, then scroll down and click Manage Ransomware Protection. Turn off controlled folder access temporarily. This feature is meant to protect your files, but it sometimes blocks legit operations like copying or moving files. Another fix is to make sure the file path isn't too long. Windows has a limit of 260 characters in a file path, so if the folder is buried under several layers of subfolders, try moving it to the desktop first, then try copying again and see if that solves it. One more thing, make sure your system is fully updated. Head to Settings, Windows Update, and install anything binding. Sometimes Microsoft rolls out bug fixes that help boost the file handling errors like this one. Alright, that's it. These are some of the most effective methods to fix the unspecified error when copying files or folders in Windows 11 or 10. Try them one by one and hopefully one of them does the trick for you. If it helped, drop a like and subscribe if you want more fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.